Hello everybody, it's Thursday, and you know what that means, 3-Minute Thursday.
Expert instruction, invaluable tips, and ingenious tricks to unearth hidden treasure in 3 minutes or less.
In this video, I want to talk about some tips and tricks that'll make you and your bounty hunter metal detector better at finding treasure. The first one is slow and load. Slow your speed down, cover all the ground, and keep your coil as low as possible to the ground so you can hear those deep, faint targets. That leads us to overlap your swings. This is related to slow and low because you want to slow your speed down so that you can cover every inch of ground. You want to overlap your swings with that coil. Speed your swing up. I know you're Russ. Hey, you just told me to slow my speed down. Well, in this circumstance, when you're checking a target, you want to speed that coil swing up because it'll help you ID your target a little better. It's just human nature when you're inspecting something to slow down and try to take a better look at it. But when it comes to coil speed, swinging a little bit faster will help that ID on iffy targets. Change your target search pattern. Maybe the first time you went over the area north to south. Try going east to west. Sometimes when you change your search pattern, a target that wasn't detectable in one direction will scream at you in another direction. Only concern yourself with repeatable targets. If it's just a pop or a beep every now and again, it's not a target. It has to be repeatable, meaning you can go over that same area multiple times and get that target multiple times. If it's not repeatable, it's not a target. It's probably electromagnetic interference, or EMI. When in doubt, dig it out. I can't tell you how many times I chased an iffy, repeatable target that I thought was iron, and it turned out being a really terrific target. Now this can happen for a lot of reasons. Maybe there's an iron nail next to that good coin. Or maybe the ground is mineralized. I hope you enjoyed this 3-Minute Thursday. If you did, we've got a playlist with a ton of 3-Minute Thursdays. Do us and yourself a favor and subscribe to the channel